My name is Gani Adams, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfo of Yoruba land. This is a great loss to the entire global village. It's a great loss to the entire Africa. It's a great loss to the entire Nigerian Yoruba land and Arigidi people. Even Akoko as a sub-tribes in Yoruba land. It was a shocking news. It was highly devastating. Our leader in our community, we lost him like that. He's an humanitarian. Apart from being a prophet, a man of God, he's a man that believes in charity. And he's a man that loved the masses. His empowerment, his good way reach every nook and crannies. And he's a man of many sectors, many tribes, who is a detribalized person, who opened his window for various tribes in Nigeria, various ethnics. And he's a man that reached out to the global village being an evangelist, who have preached the word of God to many continents. I'm highly shocked with this incident. And he's someone that I believe much in. He's someone that he will hear that I want to do something, he will send something to assist me. He's one of the people that support me when I became Ààrẹ Kakanfo. He supported me financially and morally. And he even sent the powerful delegation when I was in store. I believe the owner have taken him away. The creator that created all of us have taken him away. May his soul rest in perfect peace.